So you want to set up the machine rear delt style. So you put it in with the clips all the way inward. Okay? Go and have a seat facing inward. You want to put up the bench all the way so you don't suffocate yourself and your face doesn't hit the bench here. Go ahead, hold on to the top part of it. Make sure that your elbows, shoulder, and wrist are all lined up. Keep your neck nice and straight, look straight, sit up nice and strong, plant those feet in the floor. So with your elbows up, I want you to pull back and squeeze that rear delt. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way back. You want to keep your elbows slightly bent, wrists nice and straight. Shoulders back and down, chest up. You don't want to go down to where the weight touches. If it touches, the muscle rests. We don't want it ever resting. We want to kill it. And then pull back all the way and squeeze that rear delt. Keeping the chest up and looking straight. Keep that body solid. Look at that working. Beautiful.